The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Umunturang ba Jylla Conrad kongkal Sangma haka arpusal turik unailar ajak pun rio. Ula ajing Kyrshan ting yaw Advocate General u Amit Kumar. Hadian baka High Court of Meghalaya Bar Association, barka Shillong Bar Association, kiladawa badiban wengno yau naga Shuki Advocate General ke Jylla. Habakran bakila patai kubor u Conrad Sangma loong ba umpat tip benia ya ka jingdawa jongki Bar Association. Hendrei rapen pau baka sarkar kalong ka Donbok bandon yaw Amit Kumar kumu Advocate General.
Well, I have not gone into the details of the different aspects of. I know roughly what it is, but I have not gone into details of the statement made and what was the the arguments that were going on and the discussions that were going on. But all I want to say is that the state of Meghalaya is very lucky to have a person in the form of Amit Kumar as our AG. And you can ask any of our cabinet ministers or any of the government officials, those who have retired or even the ones who are serving now, that that Ms. Amit Kumar, with due respect to all the other states and all the other AGs and our own AGs in the past, that we are very lucky to have a person like Mr. Amit Kumar as our AG. And he's a person who has worked very dedicatedly for the state and its people. He has guided the state government in many, many crucial matters where things could have been very complicated if he was not there. He has resolved many problems in many departments, helping many officials and departments overcome a lot of legal problems and hurdles. And he's done it with a lot of passion and dedication. So therefore, I don't want to go into the merits of what is the demand and what is in the thing, what they have said. But as I said, from my point of view, I said we are very, happy and we are thankful that Mr. Amit Kumar has decided to always be with us. He has choices of being in any part of the country and being in Delhi in Supreme Court and practicing independently. But he chose to give this prime time of his to the people and to the government of Meghalaya. So I think we are very happy and we're thankful for that.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, em kuwi ke perom kuah akanai pi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกุลมั้งคนตอนฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกันหลอกพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu cái gram mò tao đã bốn cái gram tem etir đi pi tao con đây nè
ya khi biểu ngài nên mà em khi mà vào đây tâm anh em già hết
em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu
Tapi ni perdi yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sain suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sampel desain gua ar dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ya sampel desain.
Gini ke cek tu ram sarkar mah.
Kamu pada terang la duk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.